Might as well document this too. Firing it back up. I'm gonna go 265. So I'm running out of time. Let's go 275. I need to get these ribs done by 4:30, hopefully, and wrap them up and bring them to my buddy's house. Again, wait for the smoke. Close the lid. This is the hopper after 6 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and push these down because I don't trust it. Funky, but it works. Belts are starting to clink in. Still no smoke. There's the smoke. See the smoke, close the grill, let it heat up. We'll be back. Time is 12:15. We're up at 275. Putting the ribs on. I usually don't smoke this high for ribs, but I don't have the choice right now. Straight out of the fridge. Had this rub on for, I don't know, almost 24 hours now. But check back in. Time is 2:46. Been almost 3 hours. Just stuck a probe in these things. But bend test. These are almost done. These back ones will be on. Done. Break if I bend them. The top ones could use a little more time. I'm gonna brush this on. It's just reduced apple juice and a little squirt of honey. It's about 250 right now. Bend test. These ribs are done on the bottom. Top one's not ready. Still a little firm, but I just put a little glaze on the bottom, reduce apple salt or apple juice, and a little squirt of honey. But we are going to let the bottom one sit for maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm going to put them in a pan and they go into the cooler. really don't have a recipe for any glazes or stuff like that, but I'll let it set up a little bit. Looks pretty good to me. But these will come off like this. The top one, since I got a little more time, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce in it. But I'm just going to stick this pan in here, close the lid on them. But the temp holds pretty well in this cooler. Then make this barbecue sauce mix, and I'll be back. Do a quick wrap up here. Put this barbecue sauce on here. The blend is pretty good. Maybe another couple minutes, but that is just reduced apple juice and a shot of Sweet Baby Ray's. This thing definitely produces good barbecue when it works. But when it doesn't work, I don't know what to do. Because it's just new to me. But I'll figure it out. Everything looks good so far. I haven't had any complaints, other than it's not as smoky as my old barbecue was. I'm using competition blend right now. They sent me a bag of it. I'm probably gonna try just straight hickory next time. It's what I usually use. But overall, not too bad. The brisket cook was pretty terrible. Just shut down when I wasn't home. I came home basically right when it started getting cold. I don't know. It's just figuring out what you need to do when things break down on this thing. I just wish it wouldn't break down, because it's not what I paid for. But figure it out. Hopefully Weber figures it out. Hopefully the app gets better, because I like the grill. I just don't like the problems that come with it. Subscribe if you want to see some more cooking videos, or a Turbo LS BMW being built. But yeah, see y'all later.